Good evening, I'm Brad Page, and this is your Russound update for June 2024. Russound wants to see just how creative our dealers and installers can be. We're launching a new contest starting June 1st, the Most Innovative Install Contest. Show us how you are using our D1290 amplifier. How are you taking advantage of the great new features of this amp? From solving problems to meeting unique requirements, these amplifiers are incredibly versatile. So, show us how you are putting them to use. Send your stories or photos to orders@russound.com and you could win a D1290 for your very own. The contest ends July 31st. Planning on attending CEDIA this year? If so, you can use our promo code to get a free Expo pass. Go to CEDIAExpo.com to register and use our promo code Russound2024 to get into the Expo for free. That's Russound2024. Russound has expanded our promotional offerings for June. On top of the XTS7 and outdoor speakers, which are already on promo, we've added the following products. The MCA66 at 7% off. The MBX Pre, now at 7% off. The MBX Amp, also at 7% off. And the P75 amplifier at, you guessed it, 7% off. And now for our tech tip for this month, how to find the IP address of your Russound devices. When you're installing an MCA series controller or an MBX streamer, you'll need to unlock it and configure it. In order to do that, you need to know the IP address of the device that you're configuring. So, how do you find an IP address for a Russound product? Well, one of the easiest ways to do it is to use a network scanner. Here's a quick look at how to use one particular network scanner called Fing to find an IP address for an MBX. You can install the Fing app on your phone or tablet. If you're an Android user, you'll find it in the Google Play Store, or if you're an Apple user, it's in the Apple App Store. Just search for the word Fing, F-I-N-G, and it'll come up. Here it is right here. Once you've installed it, you'll see the Fing icon on your desktop. Go ahead and launch it, and it'll scan your network and show you all the devices connected to the network. Scroll through the list, and you'll see your Russound units. Here, you'll see there are two Russound devices. We have an MBX Pre and an MBX Amp, and it shows you the IP address for each device. Now, once you know the IP address, you can type the address into your web browser, and it'll bring you right to that unit where you can then proceed to unlock it and configure it. And that's our show for today. Thanks for watching.